Hi, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and you're watching Moon333. Today we'll take a look at the price actions move of Monero or XMR, which is my most favorite coin to trade on the long term, even on the mid term and the short term as well. Now let's have a look on the live chart. This is a live chart and this is the month chart, very, very long term chart. And here we can see after hitting at the highest price ever in the history of Monero in December 2017, the price action has been moving down on the month chart, and we have seen a very strong bearish trend on this long-term month chart. Even though the price action of Monero has given us many chances to trade on the short term and on the mid term, like on week chart, on day chart, on hourly based charts, to trade it. And I've been posting different charts on the Monero to trade, but on the long term, on the bigger picture or bigger view, it was in strong bearish trend. And since December up to now, you can say that it was in a strong bearish trend. And here in December 2018, after a year, it has hit at the lowest price after December 2018, which was $38.50. And I'm placing my mouse here, and you can see the lowest price will be appeared here, and you can see that it was $38.50 was the lowest price after December 2017. And after hitting this lowest price level, the price action was moving sideways, and after that it took a little bit bullish divergence and moved down, and now it has formed a double bottom and again taking a bullish divergence. Here we can see the the Bollinger Band is squeezed, and it is showing that the price action may move sideways, or it can take the bullish divergence from here, and it has found its support at this level. Now let's move to the other chart, and this is the week chart. That was the month chart, and now we are on the week chart. And here we can see after hitting this lowest point, it has found a channel, and it is moving within this channel. We have several touches at the support, at the resistance of the channel, and several touches at the support of the channel. Even though the lowest point was $38.50, but we have the lowest common three touches at $44. Therefore, our support is at $44 and our resistance is at $121. Now, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 or more than 9 touches at the resistance of the channel, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12 and 13, more than 12 or 13 touches at the support. So this channel is so much strong so far. We didn't see any big down or big out since uh, August 2018. Since it has entered in this channel, the price action is entered in this channel, and the price action is moving very smoothly down and up and down and up, and it has formed a very perfect double bottom. So this time there are more chances of breakout rather than the price action will move down again, because we have a double bottom formation here, and the double bottom can push the price action with power and provide the power to the price action, that the price action can take a very powerful bullish divergence now from here and can have a breakout from the resistance of this channel. So after the formation of this parallel channel, if we see some oscillators and momentum indicators, then we can see that on this week chart, the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, is turned very strong bearish. Here you can see the histogram of the MACD is dark green, and we have a very obvious, very wide bull cross by the moving averages or by the bull or bear line of this moving average convergence divergence, or MACD indicator. So this is very strong bullish signal on the week chart. And here, if we see the relative strength index, the RSI indicator, the oscillator, then we can see it was entered First, it was entered in December 2018 in oversold. After that, moved up again and entered in January 2019 in oversold again. And after that, it is again entered in May 2019 in oversold zone. And for a long time, it has been moving in the oversold zone and moved up. The price action took a little bit bullish divergence. And again, we have a price correction move that is a very healthy move because for a firm bullish divergence, we need the price correction moves. If the price action is taking a bullish divergence and moving down and then moving up, it means that this is quite confirmed bullish trend, or a confirmed bullish trend is going to be started soon. So here we can see after the price correction, the price action took a very powerful bullish divergence, and now the RSI is very strong bullish. And here we can see the momentum in the meanwhile. Since August 2019, the momentum was showing us that it is being shifted in favor of bulls. It was strong bearish in dark red. In here, since August 2019, we can see that it was turned weak bearish, and after that, the bars of this momentum indicator you can see were getting squeezed and squeezed and squeezed, and now we have a very strong bullish signals by the momentum indicators, and now it is turned green, and every bar is formed bigger than the previous bar. So this is a very strong bullish signal by the momentum indicator and the price action of Monero. Now let's have a look on the most strongest signal which I have received by the price action of Monero or XMR. Let's move to the month chart again. This is a month chart, and here we can see this is a very, very big bullish bad pattern formed by the price action of Monero. Uh, this bad pattern was started in November 2016. The first initial leg was started in November 2016 and ended in December 2017. And after that, we need the retracement between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action is retraced in this area. I'm just ignoring this spike because the rest of the movement of the price action is very perfectly driven as required for the bad pattern. So in this situation, we can ignore such spikes. So after that, the price action retraced or projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg, and here we have the projection up to 0.587 Fibonacci. That is exactly between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci. And after that, we need the retracement of final leg between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and here we can see the price action is entered in this potential reversal zone and retraced between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci. Now here the bad pattern is confirmed and completely formed, and now we are in the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern. Now the price action can take a very, very powerful bullish divergence from here, and we are at the bottom of this potential reversal zone, and you can see that there is a double bottom formation in the potential reversal zone. Therefore, this bullish divergence can be a very powerful bullish divergence. Realistically, if we see that where the price action can move, then we can see that the price action can easily move between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection, and this is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. So this the price action can easily enter in this zone, and our sell target should be $219.65 up to $389.87. It means that it has potential to give more than 357% profit. That is a very big and huge profit. Even though this is the behavior of crypto, that most of the times it makes the higher than the previous highs. For example, in 2017, it gave us $477. This time it will give us more than $477. But I'm just talking about as per this Fibonacci projection of or this bullish bad pattern, we can easily enter or target this sell zone. So this was the update from the Monero, and this is the very biggest update for the year 2020 and 2021 because this is a month chart. It can take some time, and this trade will need some patience. But I think this pattern and all the indications are very confirmed, and we can easily hit this sell zone. And now there is no possibility. What I'm watching, there is no possibility that the price action will break down this support of this potential reversal zone or the support we have found at $44. So this was the update from Monero. This was only for the educational purpose. Do remember, and this is not an investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research for any kind of investment. Take care. Goodbye.